Munich is famous for its beer gardens and Oktoberfest, but there's so much more to this Bavarian city than meets the eye. In this video, we'll explore Munich's rich history, surprising hidden spots, and the local culture that makes the city unforgettable. If you're ready to see Munich beyond the usual tourist guides, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more travel adventures. Munich, the capital of Bavaria, is a city of contrasts. It's a place where centuries-old history meets modern creativity, where beer gardens overflow with laughter, and where culture, architecture, and everyday life collide in ways that feel both grand and intimate. Tourists often stick to Marienplatz, the Glockenspiel, or Oktoberfest, but true Munich is discovered in quiet courtyards, hidden museums, scenic parks, and bustling neighborhoods far from the crowds. Munich is not just a city to see, it's a city to feel. From its cobblestone streets echoing medieval footsteps to its vibrant beer culture, every corner tells a story. To truly experience Munich like a local, here's the countdown revealing the city's most memorable experiences, historic insights, and hidden treasures. Point 10. Marienplatz, the heartbeat of Munich. No visit to Munich can start without Marienplatz, the city's central square. Yet, beyond the tourist photos, it's the local rhythms that make this place special. On any day, street musicians, performers, and vendors fill the square, creating a lively atmosphere that locals cherish. The Glockenspiel, perched on the Neues Rathaus, still draws crowds for its daily mechanical performance. But watch closely. Locals don't stand shoulder to shoulder. They grab a coffee and lean against the fountain, soaking in the scene without rush. Marienplatz is both historic and alive, a microcosm of Munich itself, where tradition and everyday life meet seamlessly. Point 9. Englischer Garten. Nature in the city. Munich's Englischer Garten is one of the largest urban parks in the world, and it's more than just a green space. It's a way of life. Locals bike, jog, and picnic here, often with a beer in hand from one of the park's beer gardens. The park has surprises at every turn: a Japanese tea house, winding streams, and even a river where surfers ride a permanent standing wave. Summer evenings see families, students, and office workers all blending together in this massive, verdant playground. For locals, the park is a sanctuary from city bustle, a place where tradition and leisure coexist effortlessly. Point 8. Victualienmarkt, culinary paradise. Victualienmarkt is Munich's vibrant food market, a treasure trove of local and international delicacies. It's more than a place to shop, it's a social hub. Locals meet here for breakfast pastries, fresh produce, and specialty cheeses. Beyond the stalls, you'll find tiny beer gardens tucked between the market's pathways. This is the heart of Bavarian culinary culture. Simple ingredients, fresh and seasonal, paired with local brews. Walking through Victualienmarkt, you feel the city's warmth and its love for food, a tradition spanning centuries. Point 7. Nymphenburg Palace, royal splendor and gardens. Nymphenburg Palace is Munich's answer to Versailles, though with a uniquely Bavarian charm. Beyond its ornate rooms and opulent halls, the palace grounds are vast, with canals, fountains, and meticulously maintained gardens. The palace park invites long walks and quiet reflection. Locals often come here for morning jogs or weekend picnics. Hidden corners reveal sculptures and small pavilions that feel like secret escapes from the city. Nymphenburg blends history, art, and nature, giving visitors a taste of Munich's regal past. Point 6. Hofbrauhaus and beer culture. No guide to Munich would be complete without its beer culture. Hofbrauhaus is legendary, but beyond the tourist-heavy halls, the city offers countless local beer gardens where authenticity thrives. Here, beer isn't just a drink, it's a social ritual. Locals gather to share stories, enjoy live music, and toast to friendship. Seasonal brews, traditional Bavarian pretzels, and hearty dishes create a sensory experience. In Munich, beer is not indulgence. It's heritage, camaraderie, and celebration of life. Point 5. Deutsches Museum. Science meets curiosity. Munich is home to the world's largest science and technology museum, Deutsches Museum. Beyond the exhibits that fascinate tourists, the museum holds hidden nooks that intrigue locals. From historic aircraft and vintage cars to interactive physics displays, it's a playground for curiosity. Many locals grew up visiting the museum and continue returning as adults, drawn to its ever-evolving exhibitions. Deutsches Museum shows Munich's intellectual spirit, a city that values learning, innovation, and exploration alongside tradition. Point 4. Munich's hidden neighborhoods venture beyond the city center, and you'll discover neighborhoods that locals love. Glockenbachviertel is artsy and vibrant, perfect for exploring boutiques, cafes, and street art. Schwabing is bohemian, with a rich literary history and lively nightlife. Heidhausen, once working class, now balances culture, history, and chic eateries. Walking through these neighborhoods, you'll see Munich's true personality. It's not just historic architecture. It's lived-in streets, friendly locals, and hidden corners that reveal the city's evolving culture. Point 3. Allianz Arena and FC Bayern Munich. Even for non-football fans, Allianz Arena is awe-inspiring. The stadium's glowing facade, which changes color with the team playing, is a modern marvel. Locals are fiercely proud of FC Bayern, and catching a match here is an experience beyond sports. It's community, tradition, and passion. The arena offers tours that reveal behind-the-scenes operations, trophy rooms, and fan culture. It's a testament to Munich's ability to blend modern infrastructure with deep-rooted pride. Point 2. Day trips, Bavarian Alps and castles. Munich's location makes it perfect for excursions. The Bavarian Alps are just a short drive away, offering hiking, skiing, and breathtaking views. Neuschwanstein Castle, the fairy tale palace that inspired Disney, is nearby, surrounded by alpine lakes and forests. These day trips show Munich's connection to nature, its history, and its ability to balance urban life with scenic beauty. Locals often escape here for weekends, reminding visitors that Munich's charm extends far beyond the city streets. Point 1. Local experiences, markets, cafes, and hidden gems. At the heart of Munich's appeal is its everyday life. It's in the quiet cafes where locals sip coffee while reading newspapers, the second-hand bookshops tucked in alleyways, the small bakeries producing morning delights, and the impromptu street performances that brighten squares. To live Munich like a local is to wander without a rigid plan. Savor each bite of food, raise a stein in a small beer garden, and pause in moments of calm at parks or along the Isar River. Munich isn't just a destination, it's an experience, lived in layers of history, culture, and genuine human connection. Munich is more than Oktoberfest or famous landmarks. It's a city of hidden corners, authentic experiences, and rich traditions. To truly know it, step off the beaten path, embrace local life, explore its neighborhoods, and uncover the quiet beauty in everyday moments. This is Munich Unfiltered. Beer, history, surprises, and the pulse of a city that lives fully in every moment. From historic streets to vibrant beer halls, Munich is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. If this guide inspired you to experience the city like a local, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and hidden gems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.